everyone, it's Tiffany and I am here with the new Party Pop Teenies Party Surprise Box play sets. I have two of them to open up with you guys today. We have the Rainbow Unicorn Surprise Box and the Cutie Animal Surprise. There is also a winter one, but I haven't been able to find it as of right now. So these look super fun. I love the super fun colors. It says gift box transforms into a party play set. Unwrap 10 gifts inside. Let's see what it says on the back. Whoopsies. Okay, it shows you what you could see inside. There's fancy furniture, cute stickers, mini confetti popper, exclusive doll and pet, and unwrap 10 gifts inside. Gift box transforms into party playset. That looks super cool. And then here are the total, or like the three different worlds to collect: the Cute Animal Surprise, Rainbow Unicorn Surprise, and the Winter Wonderland Surprise. Then you can also find surprise poppers, double surprise poppers, and the party play set. Anyway, let's go ahead and get these boxes open so we can take a closer look at them. Let's start by opening up the Rainbow Unicorn Surprise Box first. So you just pull this sleeve off. And it looks like we have little doors here. It says, "You're invited. Please join us for a confetti-filled celebration with sparkly streamers and mini sprinkle-licious treats." We'll unwrap special surprises and pop with fab friends ever so sweet. Let's see. I think we can just pull these doors open like this. Ooh, I love all the bright colors in this. So we have the start of the play set here. Look, it's a little window, technically. There's a little friend. So this is kind of like an advent calendar, it looks like. So how should we open this? I mean, there's this box. Oh, look guys, it says Party Pop Teenies, every day's a party if you're invited, and you're invited. And then if we flip it over, there's the place. Look at the cake with the goop. Oh my goodness gracious. So, I'm not sure. I guess I have to flip this off so I don't ruin the backdrop there for the play set. So, let's see. Let's see if I can do that really quickly. I don't want to ruin it. There we go. There we go. Okay, now take that bit off. Then we have a little like party room here. I don't know if we put this back up there or if we just put it off to the side. I'm just gonna put it off to the side for now. And then we're gonna look at the things we get in here. We do have, oh, I lost something. We do have this cake. I mean, sorry, not the cake. The cardboard balloons. I mean, they're not really real, but you could keep them to use them just for decoration. See how I kind of place those in there? So that's super cool. I mean, like, I meant real as in they're not plastic pieces or anything. So let me grab this cake out of here because this is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay, here we go. We have the cake, guys. We have the cake, and you can't really see it. My bad. Hold on. Let me get it to focus. So we have this delicious looking cake with this rainbow unicorn topper. It's so cute. No, the topper can't come off, but it's just equally as amazing because it's there. It looks so cute. And we have this table to put it on. It's just a plain table. It looks really nice. It does have some hearts on the side here. Just put it on the table. Look at that. It's going to be a great party. I'm so excited. Then we have a chair. Matches the table. And I dropped something. Here it is. The little party hat. I'm so excited for the little party hat. I'm just going to put that on the table for now. And, whoops, I lost the balloons. I'm going to start opening up this stuff. So you can't take this entire box out. And then we have our party play set in here. Let's see. I think these are stickers. No? Yes, they're stickers. Oh, look at those stickers, guys. Wow, they look so cute and delicious. I love food with faces. So, I mean, look at the little ice cubes. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, we're going to start opening this up. We obviously have our little pet friend. Look how cute she is. She's a little birdie. I love her. She's amazing. She can go sit at the table. Let's actually get our friend out here. I love her dress. I think it looks so snazzy. She's definitely 100% ready for a party. And her headband can come off. And you can mix and match them with other dolls' headbands. Maybe, maybe not. Well, you could take it off. I'm just going to leave it on. Usually you can take them off, so I'm not sure. But we have rainbow on the dress and pink shoes. She looks fabulous. I just put her down there. We do have another chair, which is good because there's a pet and a lady, so they need chairs. We do have this party popper. We'll open last, I think. We'll open that last. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Oh, we have a cheeseburger. Oh my goodness, that's super cute. Door number 2, we have, I don't know what this is. We've gotten it before. How do I can't get this out. Come on. You can't pop it through the other side. I'll have to get that out in a minute. And then we have a pizza. Yes. I'm so excited to have this. Whoa. I'm really excited. I love these foods. These are really cool because not only can you use them for these dolls, obviously, but they are a great size to use with other dolls. And then we have some cups. I'm going to have to get those out in a minute as well. A little cake serving spoon or cake serving spatula. And then we have a plate. Gotta have a plate for your food. Then we have a jug, like a little pitcher. And then we have another plate. This is cute. I like this. I'm gonna have to get this open so I can get the rest of these guys out. I'm not gonna be able to pull this out. And I mean, that's another way you can do it if you don't want to do the door thing. Let's just pop these out of there like so. Look at this. It has a nice little translucent bottom. Alright, you guys, it's time to open up the mini popper. Let me get my scissors here to get the tear strip started. Maybe. Can't grab the tear strip. There we go. Oh, tear strip stopped. I'm not sure. I'm guessing this works just like the regular ones. We just, oh wait, what? I'm not sure how this works. We'll have to find out. I'm not sure how it works. Like that. Oh, it's probably like that. Ready? Ready? Woo! Oh, we just got confetti in there. That's it. Oh, that's still super cute. We got lots of cool confetti. We got like music symbols and balloons and lips. Super fun. Let's open up the next one, the one I've been looking forward to the most because I love the little animals. But I just wanted to mention before, this is something that you could reuse. Like this is all made out of plastic, so you can fill this up with more confetti if you wanted to and have a fun time. So let's pop this one open. Oh my gosh, I see a little bunny. I love the animal themed ones, they're so cool. Let's open up this first. Ooh, wow, look what we got here. We have like a little vanity. We have a little, let me get the vanity out of here first. We have a little vanity, oh my gosh. And then we have a little perfume bottle to go with it. And then we have a little like shelf with a big bow on it. And then we have these cute little cardboard pieces. We have presents, we have balloons, we have another balloon and another present. And we have a set of flags. And then we have this awesome nifty little party room, which we need to free from the tape here. Cut that there. And cut that there. Perfect. So here we go. We have our nice little party room extension. A party room extension more so. And then we have our mystery thing going on. Oh, I forgot about our stickers. Ready for the sticker reveal? Ba-bam! Oh! Oh, it's all makeup themed. That's really cute. The little lipstick have eyeballs. What is happening? It's too much. It's too much. Alright, let's open these up. We have our little bunny. Little bunny friend. She's so cute. She's adorable. Just look at her little face. I just love the pets. I want to own all of the pets only. I'm just kidding. Yes, not really though. But anyway, we also have the doll here. She's wearing a cute little bunny sweater. And she has some bunny ears there attached to her head. I'm wondering, do they come out? They look like they do, but I don't think they do. I think these girls are special and their little headpieces don't come out. I don't know. But she has cute little boots. She looks super snuggly and warm. I love her hair. It's so cute. Then, of course, we have our confetti here, which we'll still do the confetti at the end. And then we have a cute little chair for our vanity. So let's see what's behind these doors. Oh, we have a little eyeshadow palette. That's cute. Let's see, I'm gonna put that on the shelf. Then we have a little hairbrush. And then we have the little cell phone, I think. Oh no, a mirror, probably. I don't know. Oh, it could be a cell phone, really. I just dropped it. Where'd it go? Could be a cell phone. Just saying. Looks like one. But I think it might be a mirror. I'm not really sure, actually. It could be either. Then we have a little purse. And then we have some sunglasses. Ooh. Let's get her and try them on. Oh, she has a ponytail. I don't think that'll work. Wait, let's see if we do with the other girl. She also has a ponytail though. Hold on, testing. I think she can wear them. She could wear them if her headband wasn't in the way. I think these are cute. These will definitely fit on your Party Pop Teenies. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh my gosh, what is this? I don't know. It's maybe a bank. Is it like a unicorn bank? We'll get that out in a moment. Then we have a camera. We have a mirror. So maybe that was a cell phone. And then another bag. This one you can actually fit stuff in. So let me grab this little guy out of here. I'm excited. I think with this animal pack though, we should have gotten more animal theme. Like, this is more like makeup-y if you ask me. But I guess it's more based around the girl than it is what's going on in the playset. So, I don't know. I'm really excited though. It's all so cute. Let's set that there. It looks like it's a unicorn, maybe piggy bank kind of thing. I think that's so cool. Oh my gosh, we had so many awesome things. So let's finish this off by opening up our confetti popper. I can't get it open. Okay, here we go. No, we don't. Why can't I get these tear strips open ever? That's the question. It seriously stopped. Oh my goodness. I don't know if we'll be confetti popping today. Let's see. Be careful when using scissors, guys. Especially with tear strips, because they're so close to your fingers. Okay, here we go. We got it. Ready? Woo! What kind of confetti is this? So we have candy. Ooh. We have like suns, stars. Looks so cool. We also have music. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but the backdrop for this one is pretty much the same as the other one, except the other one had pink. Well, I'll show you right now. We'll set it up. Here are the two different sets displayed, so you can see, like I was saying, this one is pink, this one is purple, but they're pretty much the same in terms of decorations. But they were so cute. I love all the little accessories that you got. And the stickers! I think the food stickers are my favorite stickers though, because, oh my gosh, the little ice cubes. Anyway, let me know your favorite set of the two in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to join the chicken coop, and I will see you next time. Bye!